Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick review on the Philips Ultinon Essential LED light bulb for my Myvi second generation model. So on my left, these are the standard Myvi halogen light bulb, which is made by Osram and it's produced a 55 watt. And on my right, so this is the Philips Ultinon Essential LED light bulb, which produce a 24 watt. So if you can compare, the size are the same, and the socket size, which is the H11 for Myvi, these are also the same. Okay, so let's go for the installations. All right, so the installation is rather simple. Just untwist the standard light bulb and then remove the socket and then plug in the sockets of the Philips LED light bulb. So once done, just mount it back. So remember there are 3 points of the mounting point, so make sure you aim for the right directions. Insert and then twist it. There you go. Alright, so the installation has already been completed. As you can see, the light is pretty white. On the left side is the standard light bulb, whereby on the right side is the Philips LED light bulb. So you can see the difference here is more whitish and brighter in terms of the brightness. Here's a breakdown of the comparison categories. Firstly, the LED light bulb produces 24 watt compared to the standard light bulb, which is 55 watt, a nearly 60% of the energy reductions. Next is the brightness. The LED light bulb can go up to 6500K, whereby the standard one is only around 3000 to 3500K, which is a bit yellowish. Then is a lifespan. The LED light bulb can go up to 3500 hours, 500 more compared to the standard one. The last thing, the price, and also the only drawback that I can see as the standard bulb will cost you around 20 ringgit Malaysia, but the LED light bulb costs almost 8 times, which is around 160 ringgit Malaysia. So if you want to enjoy brighter night visions and doesn't care too much for the price, then I recommend you the LED light bulb. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe my channels and I'll post more videos about cars and motorsports. Stay tuned and goodbye for now.